Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's great. Bringing you another video, another YouTube tutorial about how to sound good on BANDLAB. Y'all been asking about POPSMOKE vocal. I got a preset right here, so I'm gonna give it to you. So y'all stay tuned. Yeah, so guys, so that was the preset. That's all you need to sound like POPSMOKE. That's not actually all you need. Um, you need to tune this not too much, but a way more than medium. And you need to keep your revision key to your beat. So anytime you upload a beat, make sure you check your revision key. This right here. Make sure it's set to the beat. Then you come back, change this, then you're gonna sound good. So this is how you should sound when you wanna sound like POPSMOKE. She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that yeah, I can't get the last part. But yeah, that's how you should sound. Yeah, you should sound like POPSMOKE if you're trying to sound like him with this preset. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll keep y'all updated. Y'all comment, man. Y'all should comment. I'll keep y'all updated. So you know how we do it. I'm out. Peace.